Hey, let's have fun making some easy paper accordion heart valentines with the kids. They can use them to make cute cards for friends at school or string them as a garland for a Valentine's Day party. So grab some paper that you'd like to make your valentines from and a plate. We'll need that for a pattern. I used 2 different sizes and some glue, of course your scissors. Put your paper down in front of you and position your plate over the paper so that it's equal distance from all sides. So it's going to spill over on either side a little bit. That's okay. And then draw around the outside of the plate. We're going to cut out along the lines that we drew. Now we're going to accordion fold the piece of paper from this flat edge to that flat edge. And I'm going to make each fold about a 1/2 inch wide. Press again on these folds just to make them nice and crisp. You can even use something like your scissors handle. Now we're going to fold this in half and glue right along this center edge. You could use hot glue or a glue stick. So simple and fast. This is half a sheet of 8.5 by 11 inch paper, and I'm going to use the smaller plate on this one, and we're going to make a smaller heart than this size. Same process, we're going to fold this back and forth. I'm going to make even smaller accordion folds if I can. And we've made a smaller heart that might fit more easily on a card. Be creative and use other kinds of paper as well. How about trying a coffee filter? You can color on these and then wet them with a little bit of water. Now set it aside to dry. This is a cupcake paper that I'm going to try making into a heart. And we can use any type of scrapbook paper as well. There are a lot of fun things that we can make from these. We can just give them like this if we would like to a friend. We could put their name on a little place card and glue it onto the front. We can glue a heart onto a piece of white paper or colored paper and then write on the outside edge what we'd like to say. You could also tape these to a string and make a really cool garland for your Valentine's Day party. Just use a piece of tape or 2 on the back and tape them to the string. Wow, I've loved making these easy paper accordion heart valentines. For more Valentine's Day ideas, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.